Well, welcome to HerbieReviews. As you can see, I'm back. And I've got these Pringles. And
Show them, let's have a look. Look at this. I can't see it, I need to see it, there we go. And you bet them straight away.
what?
You bet them straight away.
Yeah. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, they're really nice.
Speak up.
I don't know what to say. You put me on the spot.
What did it taste like? How did it taste?
It tastes horrible.
Really?
What am I?
Read them.
Are you?
Yeah? You gotta speak up, Mama.
Piri chicken. Alright. Oh, not so bad once you get used to them. Oh, they've got a nice lingering taste.
You've gone that from horrible to a nice lingering taste. What's your verdict there?
I won't buy them again. Let's put them that way.
You wouldn't buy them again? No. What, would you recommend it? Any other crisps?
I think it's the hot stuff in it. Well, it's the hot stuff.
What?
What's them little red things?
Chilies.
Chilies. It's chilies in it.
Is it? And you can't have hot stuff, can you?
You tell me now.
Do you want to tell everyone why you can't have any hot food?
Because it doesn't agree with me. Hot food.
Do you have a specific condition?
I have diverticulitis.
Diverticulosis. You explained this in the last video though, didn't you?
Right?
You explained this in the last video and you delineated the steps during the colonoscopy, so no need to go through it again. Everyone knows you've got diverticulosis. What other crisps would you recommend?
Damn you.
What other crisps would you recommend?
Them other crisps what you get, what are dead nice.
McCoy's Muchos.
Yeah. McCoy's Muchos.
We'll get you to review them next time then.
Yeah, because they're really, really nice.
So, let's summarise.
What do you mean summarise?
Summarise your feelings and opinions on Pringles' new Piri chicken flavour crisps.
Not really good.
No.
Nah.
Could you eat that whole tube? You could still eat the whole tube. Have you got an addicted personality?
Well, probably, yeah. I'm not bothered.
Anything to say to your viewers? You got a comment on your last video?
Thank you for choosing him. Thank you very much for choosing him.
And will you upload more videos?
I'll put more videos up, yeah.
Okay. Any closing remarks?
Don't buy them because they're horrible.
Right, okay, that's a nice way to end.
Will that do? And you get used to them, don't you?
I want to keep going. I want to keep talking about that.
No, I'm done now.
Right. Bye bye.
Bye.